Thanks for clicking on me and not Emily. Yeah, we both did it at the same time.
Oh, right, for a second. Try the other side. There's.
Oh, there you go.
Should I light only the inside of the cans? It's bubbling.
It's bubbling with
Oh!
Oh, mushroom.
Never mind.
It's mushroom soup.
Okay, actually, I don't know what that one is. Actually, now I do.
Ew!
What is it? I'm scared.
I know it's not. It's okay.
Guess what I got?
Please.
It's a very big one.
Dude.
Oh my god, this is gonna be like spooky.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, it's too big of a scoop. Mom, you want some mushroom soup?
Kid likes mushroom soup.
Yeah.
On bones out.
Wait, did someone spit out? Did you? Or what was that?
It was the lid. Oh, she got too much on her spoon.
She doesn't like the mushroom.
You're gonna eat something. I know I like that and you like that, so it's just
I got all good ones for me.
You
I
did?
didn't.
What'd
You
you
guys
get?
aren't going to.
Okay, I'm not gonna eat the rest of this. Okay, so you saw us do these two cans. So now click on both of us to see us Eminem and another guest star do it.
Cooblet.
Gooblet.
Booblet.
Hey, I'm